Hi everyone, this is Maria with WTI.
Let me show you the product that solved the issues we had with water on the counter or dripping from it. This is the IKEA Nyskoljd dish drying mat. I think this is a must-have on every kitchen. Nobody likes to have water on the counter or on the floor. And this is the perfect product to avoid that. It is incredibly absorbent. I can put a lot of dishes and cups and other stuff on it, and even when they are dripping wet, this mat does its job perfectly. The water from the dishes doesn't transfer to your counter because this mat is thick enough to avoid that. But it's also very flexible and soft, and you can put it in the washer and it just stays like it is. And because of this like buttonhole that it's on the corner, it's very easy to hang it to dry. And it dries really fast. I think every kitchen should have one of these.
And that's my point of view.